everyone, this is Mrs. Stafford
and Mr. Mendez,
and we are your Paschal librarians, and so we are here to show you how to find the Paschal Library website and to tell you a little bit about what we can offer you. So we are at the Paschal High School website right now. It's just fwisd.org/Paschal. And when you get there, you'll go down to this purple bar and you'll click on Library. And that is going to take you to our library website.
So on the library website, there's some information that is going to be great for you to be able to look at. And so if we scroll down a little bit, we have a good introduction video here with Miss Stafford and myself. Some great looking emojis of us. And then of course how to contact us. So our hours are Monday through Friday from 8 till 4. Here's Miss Stafford's email. And here's my email, and of course the phone number is the same, 817-814-5025.
So you can contact us at any time, and really, if it's from 8 to 4, calling us is a really great way to get a hold of us, and emailing us as well, and we will get back to you as soon as we can. So just to show you a couple things on our website, we're going to kind of skip around here. Students, you need to go here when you need help. If you're having password issues, this is how to reset your password. Most of you have probably already done this. So if you've already done this and you're still having password issues, this is the link to a form you can fill out that we check daily and all throughout the day to help you. And so let's say you just forgot your password and you need us to reset it again so that you can go create a new one. You can fill out this form and we will contact you. We also have a Google Classroom on here that you can join. That's the code to join that to get information. The link to our library catalog is right here. You can actually click on that and it'll take you to Destiny Discover, where you can search for a book that you want and place a hold on it. And we will then contact you to figure out a time for you to come and pick that book up. We also have various resources that you can use for research. And a lot of times your teacher will have you come to us for research help, and we'll give you an overview of those different websites that you can use. But if you're doing research, you can always use these resources. You can contact us to find out how to use them, and all the passwords are protected. You have to be signed into your school account, and they live right here.
Yeah, so we also want to highlight some of our Hispanic Heritage Month events. The Fort Worth Library is putting on a multitude of events. Some of them are on Zoom, some of them are Facebook and YouTube, and then there are some that are in person, so like this writing rap workshop here. This TCU, the university, and also the city of Fort Worth is also putting on some different events. September 24th, there's the Presidente Fox Forum. There's the Spanish languages culture lecture, and so there are some really cool different things that are going on there that are sponsored by the city of Fort Worth and by TCU. There's also the 2020 Fort Worth Hispanic Heritage video that we have linked here, and it shows that some of the different speakers here, including our school board president, Jacinto Ramos, and also Juan Velasquez, who's one of the really upcoming artists in Fort Worth. And it shows some of his work on that video. It's very cool.
And so that's just kind of an overview of our website. Remember that we are here to help you. We also do voter registration. So if students, if you are 17 years and 10 months old, we can register you to vote. And parents, if you have not registered to vote or you need us to check your registration, feel free to reach out to us because we are here to help you with that. And so there's our contact information one more time. And we would love to hear from you guys.